Hello traders, welcome to yet another video with the GAMAL FOREX. Guys, I've been away for a while now. This due to reasons which are not from my own end, but I was able to free some time, guys, because I had to talk about what I'm seeing on my charts. Like, I just had to talk about this. So maybe at the end of this video, what will be happening in the market, like for the nearest future to come, you will have heard it here first on GAMAL Radio, like GAMAL Radio, GAMAL FOREX, any one you like. So guys, before we get into it, I'd like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment, and you are just here to share ideas. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with the first pair, which is the BTC USD. So guys, you guys know my take on the BTC USD for a while now. So as of now, I was in this trade, but as you can see, I said that on the last video I said we are stalling at this point. So there are two things that can happen. Is either we break and we go to the 24k, then the 34k, I beg your pardon, or we pull back. So in this case now, it's clear that we are pulling back, but I don't think this market is going to pull back for long. So this is a great opportunity, by the way. You just have to, if you are careful enough, you just have to watch out for the market and see candlestick patterns, which might suit your trading style, and go for a buy. So this, what you are seeing on the screen now, is just for a very short period. So I think by next week this market will be going back up, so just watch out on it. And in the case where I see I'm waiting for the market to come at this level here, in the case where I see the market pulling back here and doing some sort of exhaustion of this downward move, I'll be taking this buy up here. If I don't see that, I'll stay on my hand until I see reasonable conferences that tell me to buy, then I'll buy. So that's it for BTC USD. Mind you, we might pull back right into this yellow bar yet again, which is around 24k, but I see the possibility of that happening should be around, if I'm to say, the possibility of that happening is 20%, so just 20%. Okay, the next is going to be a trade in which I am in now. So guys, this week has a lot of fundamentals coming out. This, all what you're seeing at the time I'm recording this video, I think this is Monday. By Wednesday, we are going to see some crazy moves on the market. So I call this trade on my Telegram channel. So this stop loss is down here. I call this trade on my Telegram channel. So on this trade, I said the market, as long as we sustain below this yellow bar, will be coming down to this level here. So that's approximately 200, like close to 400 pips in profit. And the market has been playing here. I'm in this market, so all this thing, like, I've been in constant drawdown since the end of last week. I need to refine this my entry style, but as of now the market is pointing downward, so I'm kind of relieved. Okay, let me see what I just did now. I was risking 3% of my account on this trade. So what I did now was, since I'm anticipating market volatility in the market due to how they call it, due to fundamentals that will be released very soon, what I did was I closed out half of my trade, as 1.5% of my trade, on a loss, and it's very minor. So I just agreed to lose that, all that, just because I wanted to for my trade to be able to accommodate the volatility that might be out So in the case where the fundamental counts and push in our direction, then we're fine. Even though we'll have lost, we'll have taken an unnecessary loss, but the trade is going to cover back our losses. But in the case where I just feel like this market, there will be a lot of market manipulation. So I just wanted to give myself enough breathing room for this trade. So this after the fundamentals are out and I see what the market is trying to do, if it's going up, I'm just going to let my stop loss to be taken out. If it's pointing down, I'm going to bring back my stop loss to this point and perhaps get into add some other positions. So that's what I'll be looking at for USD CAD. The next is going to be, okay guys, so okay, I've been vouching for this trade. I've been vouching for this pair for a long time. You guys remember EuroCAD? So EuroCAD, I told you guys we're pulling back. At the time I was calling this trade, I told you we're pulling back into this yellow bar. So what I said was, if we come to this yellow bar and place a base and then point downward, I'm going to get into this trade. But if we cross, I'm not interested. Guys, we crossed and I was not even looking at the pair. So as of today, this is what the pair is looking like. It shows which, so I'm going to need some more confirmation after this day. I'm going to make my final decision on all my forthcoming trades after the fundamentals that will be released this week are released. So this, it's already a good sign, but I'm not yet carried away yet. So for the Euro USD guys, I was supposed to call this trade last week, but I couldn't. So this trade, actually this is one of my killer trades which I'm looking at the moment now. So basically, let me explain this trade, and this is the trade that might make me money for this period. So this is what it looks like. Guys, remember we're stalling below this yellow bar, and I was like, as long as you are below, there was a yellow bar here which we played around out. At that time, I think I was calling Euro USD to drop at least 200 pips, 250 pips, something like that. Guys, I was wrong. I'm not God. I'm not a market maker. I'm just here to investigate and make my own conclusions. So I was wrong. But on the other side, this this yellow bar was here for a bit, and I was like, since we are, because when I was looking at this trade then and I had that yellow bar here, I was considering this to be a double top, and I was thinking this market was at least going to attempt the neckline, which will be this level, before any further thing happens. So this was the thing that made me to call this market short, this double top here. So it can be clearly seen that this market, how can I say, can be clearly seen that this yellow bar has been broken. So basically, this is a trade. It's not even hard. This is a breakout. At the time I was looking at this trade, when this market was going here, I was not even phased by it because I knew this market was going to pull back. So it was last week. So see what we have done this week. So what I'm going to basically wait is the same as the trade I called on GBP USD. I'm going to let the market play around this yellow bar. If you want, you cross it, that's your problem. If you cross it, I'm not interested in you. Once you come back and close here, I'm like, okay, good, we are good to go. So I'll wait for me. I'm going to wait for the market to play around here, do his thing around here. Then once I see the market come back with the daily candle close above this yellow bar, I'm taking this trade. So, and we are talking about, so this one, let me just cancel this one. For the 100% retracement, if you are taking the trade around here, you're going to at least, but our overall move is supposed to hand us at least 420 bits. So that's it for Euro USD. So this trade is mad juicy. So you guys, I'm not here to recommend. I'm just here to give you my perspective of the market. If it suits your style and you want to look in that sense, fine for you. If you disagree with me, fine. In trading, for someone to win, someone has to lose. You just have to know that. So the next is going to be USD JPY. So for USD JPY, this USD JPY break my heart. Why? I'm not even going to say USD JPY break my heart. I just felt like I just had to blame myself for missing out on this move. When this market was pulling back into this yellow bar, I knew when it's going to come to this yellow bar, something's going to happen. As a fact, I knew something was going to happen. And I saw the thing play out in front of my eyes. I don't know. Maybe it's because I was looking at the fact that the DXY, the $100 resistance mark on the DXY had been broken. So I was skeptical about this trade. But guys, we arrived here. The thing gave me signs upon signs that it was going to reverse here. I saw candlestick patterns and everything, and I was just phased out. I didn't take the trade. Like, now the trade has gone and left me, so I just feel a lot of regret from this trade. But my capital is still with me, so better to be cautious at times than to take the risk and be wrong. But it should not be like a habit to be phased out by the market. So this is just one of my L's. So there are two things that might happen here. So depending on the fundamentals that will come out this week, this market might come and break this yellow bar, and I'm going to enter into this trade. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. In as much as this trade is like that, I feel like the dollar is going to be weak. So that's why I was even skeptical about it. So I'm just going to wait for the fundamentals to come out. So, but in the case where the fundamental comes out and this market drive, our next level target is going to be at least here. And if we break here, the key level, and then I'll have to do my analysis. If we come here and I see rejection and we're going back down with this double top, I'm going to short this market. And first level target is going to be here. Once we break here and then we sustain above this yellow bar, I'm going to take another trade from this yellow bar, and then I'm going to ride it all the way down to this next key level. So that's it. So for AUD USD, I'm not even looking at it. AUD USD, I'm not just understanding this pair at the moment, so I'm not even considering it for any trade in the nearest future. So, okay, for GBP USD, we called out this trade and we had like massive reward. So now I don't know what it's going to do yet, so I'll have to wait for the fundamentals to come out. By Wednesday, I think we should be having the FOMC. So once the fundamental comes out, I feel like this is a let's go to the 4-hour. I feel like this is also a resistance level. So I might be anticipating something like of this sort. It's either the market stall here, then shoots back up, or the market breaks here, come back to this yellow bar, then can go back up. So like I won't be really comfortable taking this trade at this level. I think this market has a potential to come back to this level here. If it comes back here, that's great. I'll just wait for signs to tell me to buy, and I'll buy it. I'll buy it. And my, let me see the pips count on this one. So I'm buying it here, then we'll be looking at 450 pips profit. So that's my take on this one. So okay guys, there you have it. Thank you for being with me, and I was trying to make the video as snappy as possible. Stay tuned to the GAMAL FOREX, and guys, I'll be sharing my link to my Instagram, my Telegram group, and my social medias in the description below. Do well to check, go and follow me up out there, and I'll be dropping these stuffs again. And guys, I'll be starting the classes on how to trade. Like, what do you guys want? Like, what are the aspects in trading that you guys want me to talk about? Like, just drop in the comment section below, and I'm going to do a video on that. So guys, stay tuned. Thank you.